part of what we're doing today. We're talking about, how to solo on the single notes. I'm still concluding that we're kind of like in a D blues. So the first thing I do is we already covered down here playing the chords. Now I almost come over here like into my 10th position where I would normally play the blues, the blues scale, So I'm still in blues land here, but what I do is, what's weird is with slide, when we're playing with our fingers, we think like this, blues scale. But when you're playing with your slide, you actually end up in the pattern underneath that blues scale pattern more. It works out better with the slide because you're going to go. So again, notice I'm trying not to do this because I'm trying to only get that slide on the individual notes as much as possible. Look at that, clean. Notice, and by the way, I'm very little pressure. Fine. Now the next string. That's just slide right there. Okay, that's lead slide. And